A 2019 dental study revealed that whitened teeth can make people look an average of 5 years younger than they really are. Hi guys, I'm Shita and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 8 grooming mistakes that are making you look older than you really are and how you can fix them. Whether it's your makeup, your skincare, your hair care or your fashion sense, these tips are bound to make you look younger, fresher and more glowy. Mistake number 1, over plucking or overdoing your eyebrows. Thin eyebrows are really not a thing these days, and if you're still spotting them, you've got to fix that. They're definitely making you look way older and your face a little more harsher. Instead, opt for natural and more fuller brows. In fact, a 2020 psychological study even said that natural brows make you look way more attractive. If you genetically have thinner brows, try using a brow serum to encourage growth. You can also use makeup products to give an illusion of thicker and fuller brows. I love using the Benefit eyebrow pencil and also the Charlotte Tilbury eyebrow gel. They're actually really good products, so do give them a try. And what I would actually recommend is sticking to one person who does your eyebrows. I have done the mistake of going to multiple people to get them done, and the shape always changes. So you need to have one person fixed to do your eyebrows. Mistake number 2 is wearing hair colors or hairstyles that do not suit your face. The way your hair is can actually change the way you are perceived to others subconsciously, so it's very important to get that right. One thing that I've noticed a lot of people get is really harsh highlight or hair streaks that make you look way more mature and older than you really are. You should always consult a good hairstylist that can suggest something that suits your skin tone if it's about hair color, or something that frames your face when you're getting a haircut. Always try and get soft layers or highlights that blend into your natural hair color really well. Balayage is a hair technique that actually does that really well, so that is something I would recommend if you're looking to color your hair. In fact, even if you see Deepika Padukone's earlier hairstyles compared to today's, there's a huge difference and you'll see that she looks way younger and more attractive now. I have also done the mistake of getting hairstyles that did not suit me back in college because I have really curly hair naturally. I wanted to get layers, like really short layers, but not realizing that when they are in their natural habitat, they go crazy. So short layers does not suit me because of my curly hair. So you need to understand what kind of hair do you have and then get a hairstyle and a haircut accordingly. Mistake number 3 is not applying makeup the right way or using a lot of heavy makeup. When it comes to foundation or powder, they tend to settle into your creases and your lines, giving you a more aged and a mature look which you want to avoid. Even when you're applying blush, make sure you're applying it in the right way. There's a quick hack that I like to use is I like to use my fingers like this and then apply blush so that it gives your cheeks a snatched look instead of just applying on spots like this, because then it makes your face look again very rounded and not very young. So try and use products that are lightweight, that are hydrating and as per your skin. When it comes to picking up lip colors or eyeshadows, use colors that are softer and can be blended into your skin tone really well. Avoid using very harsh dark lip colors, especially dark lip liners. A lot of people do that and it makes you look way older. I'm also going to show you a before and after on the screen so you can actually see the difference that makeup can make to your face. Mistake number 4 is ignoring oral care. Yellow teeth can age your appearance. In fact, a 2019 dental study also showed that whitened teeth can make you look 5 years younger. I have done a detailed video on certain dental mistakes that you could be making and how to fix those, so please make sure to watch them. Otherwise, just a few quick tips to incorporate in your dental routine could be a whitening toothpaste, at-home brightening kits, and also obviously visiting your dentist for professional time-to-time cleaning of your teeth. Mistake number 5 is neglecting your posture. Slouching makes you look less confident and older and also compresses your height. But if you sit upright, walk upright, you feel more confident and younger and a little taller and out there. If you do have a slouched posture, a couple of things you can do to fix it is do regular yoga, go for Pilates, which strengthens your core and your back. If you know that you slouch a lot, you can also set reminders on your phone to keep telling you to sit straight. Mistake number 6 is bleaching. If there's one major mistake that you can avoid in your hair care or your skincare routine, it is bleaching. Yes, it does brighten up your skin, but it causes a lot of damage to it as well. Bleaching your skin can lead to inflammation, hypersensitivity, hyperpigmentation, and causes your skin to sag as well, leading to premature aging. So if there's one thing you need to stay away from, it is bleaching. Mistake number 7 is not getting enough sleep. No matter what your age is, sleeping for 7 to 8 hours a day is really, really important. Whether you're a baby or an aged person, letting your body rest, re-energize, and regenerate all the energy that it's lost is extremely important. Otherwise, you will wake up with puffy eyes, puffy face, dark circles, fine lines, wrinkles, and an extremely dull and tired skin, which adds way more years to your face than it should. Another pro tip is to use silk pillowcases to avoid harsh lines on your face or your skin, and also avoid hair frizz. You can also try using aromatherapy or some calming teas if you don't get sleep very quickly or easily. That might help you a lot. Mistake number 8 is related to fashion, and that is wearing old school prints. Prints like tiny florals, paisley, or overly geometric designs are extremely outdated, and especially if you don't style them correctly, they can make you look way older and mature than you really are. How you can fix it is by opting for more modern contemporary prints like oversized florals, abstract designs, or color block patterns. Now, balance is key, so make sure to not overwhelm yourself or your outfit with a lot of prints. Balance it out with more solid color pieces. For example, if you're wearing a skirt which has a lot of floral print on it, balance that out with a solid color top or a t-shirt. You can also experiment with texture. So instead of going for prints, you can play around with knits, pleats, satins, different kind of fabrics to give your outfit more depth and dimension instead of overdoing prints. Another pro tip here is to accessorize your outfit the right way. I've done a ton of videos on accessorizing, so do check them out because it gives your outfit a more youthful look. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys will take away something from it and incorporate all of these tips into your everyday skincare, hair care, or fashion routine. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video, and I will be back next week with a brand new one.